Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and make the most of your digital tools. Today, we are diving into the world of note-taking with Logseq, one of the best personal knowledge management and note-taking apps out there. In this video, we will be focusing on the top Logseq plugin that can take your note-taking experience to the next level. So let's get started. Before we jump into the plugin, let's talk about how to enable the plugins feature in your Logseq directory and install them. To enable plugins in Logseq, launch the app on your computer and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Now, click on the Settings button to open Settings. Here, click on Features and enable the toggle next to Plugin System. Now, click on the Restart App button to restart the app. Now that you have enabled the plugin feature in your Logseq directory, let's see how you can install a plugin. To install a plugin, go to the three-dot menu again and click on the Plugins option. Here, choose Marketplace and you will see the list of all the approved plugins here. You can click on the sorting button to sort the plugins by the number of downloads, ratings and name, and use this to explore new plugins. If you know what plugins to install, which will tell you, click on the search bar and type in its name. Once you find it, click on the install button to install the plugin. Once installed, it will appear in the install section in your plugin directory. The first plugin that everyone should install in their Logseq directory is the Journals Calendar plugin. This plugin is a must-have for every Logseq user. It adds a calendar to your Logseq, allowing you to easily navigate through your daily notes. Whether you want to review your past journals or add a new note on a future date, this plugin has got you covered. Simply click on the calendar icon and you are good to go. It even includes a Today View button which lets you quickly jump back to your today's daily note from anywhere. Next up, we have the Tabs plugin. If you are someone who likes to work with multiple pages, this plugin is perfect for you. Like in a browser, the Tabs plugin opens pages in Logseq directory in new tabs, allowing you to switch between them effortlessly. You can even pin tabs by double-clicking on them. This ensures that your most important pages are always within reach. If you want to close multiple tabs at once, simply hover the cursor over the tab bar and you will find a handy Close All button. Now, let's talk about the word count plugin. As Logseq doesn't come with a native word counter, this plugin is a must-have for those who want to keep track of their writing. With a simple / command, you can access the word counter and see how many words you have written. It's a small but incredibly useful tool to help you stay on top of your writing goals. Moving on to our fourth plugin, the bullet threading plugin. Have you ever found yourself lost in long piece of writing struggling to keep track of indent and bullet points? Well, worry no more. The bullet threaded plugin is here to save the day. It shows you the path of indents, making it easy to navigate through the outlines. No more worrying about indenting paragraphs incorrectly. This plugin keeps your outlines in a check, ensuring a seamless writing environment. For our fifth plugin, let's talk about organization. Tags are a great way to keep your notes organized, but Logseq doesn't provide a tag directory by default. That's where the Tags plugin comes in. It adds a handy tags browser to the Logseq navigation bar, allowing you to easily access all your tags. You can search for tags, sort them by name or usage, and keep your notes neatly organized. It's a game changer for those who love to stay organized using tags in their Logseq directory. Now, let's explore the link preview plugin. Logseq already has a feature that lets you quickly check linked notes by hovering over them. But what about external links? That's where the link preview plugin comes in. It enables the hover preview feature for external links as well. This is especially useful when you are working with research notes that contain multitude of external links. You can quickly overview the link and open them if they seem useful, saving you a valuable amount of time. Plus, it even allows you to embed links as cards, making your notes more visually appealing and interactive. One of our most favorite plugin is the Omnivore plugin. Your Logseq directory is only as powerful as the content in it, and one of the best way to ingest content in your Logseq directory is by using Omnivore plugin. Omnivore is a read it later service that allows you to save articles for reading them offline. It strips the articles of unnecessary UI elements, giving you a clean reading environment. We recently featured the app in our best free Mac apps video, which you can view by clicking on the link in the video description. With Omnivore, you can read articles, make highlights and take notes. The Omnivore plugin allows you to bring those highlights and notes inside Logseq. It's the best way to ingest what you have read in your Logseq directory. Moving on, at number 8, we have the Agenda plugin. Agenda is a plugin that will turn your Logseq database into a task and project management powerhouse. Once you have installed the Agenda plugin, you will notice a new addition to your Logseq interface, the Agenda button, located in the top navigation bar. Just a simple click on this button we'll open the agenda mode, and trust me, you are in for a treat. The first thing you will see in the agenda mode is the dashboard. The dashboard provides you with a beautiful representation of all your tasks. It's the best way to keep track of whatever it is on your agenda for the day. The agenda plugin also provides you with a calendar view. This feature allows you to visualize your tasks on a calendar, making it easier to plan and allocate time for completing them. You can effortlessly add new tasks, block out time slots, and ensure you stay productive throughout your day. With the Agenda plugin, you can also create projects and color code tasks in your calendar to identify your task at a glance. There's so much more to this plugin that we have created 2 whole videos covering the features of the Agenda plugin. You can find the videos in the video description below. Watch those videos to learn everything about this plugin. Next up, we have TOC Generator. It's a simple plugin that generates a table of content based on the headings in your writing. The plugin is helpful when writing a long piece as it helps you easily navigate your write-up. You can use the plugin via the / command. It will automatically pick the page title as the main heading and then render a table of content based on the headings used inside the page. If you write long form content, this is a must-have plugin for you. Last but not the least, we have the Helium plugin. If you consume knowledge via YouTube videos, the Helium plugin is a must-have for you. As you might know, one of the best features of Logseq is that it allows users to take notes on YouTube videos with corresponding timestamps. However, when you start taking notes, there will come a time when the YouTube player will move outside the view. Helium plugin solves this issue by creating a floating YouTube player that always remains visible. If you want to take notes on YouTube videos, you should definitely install this plugin. And there you have it, guys. These are the top 10 Logseq plugins that everyone should install in their Logseq directory to improve their note-taking experience. We have published written and video guides on several of these plugins, and you can find the links for those guides in the video description. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and happy note-taking.